How to create your own MOGRT files in Premiere Pro. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do this. So watch this video till the very end to know how you can do this. So there are some steps how you can know that. The very first step is design in Adobe After Effects. Open the After Effects and create a new composition and use the Essential Graphics panel for that. Open the Essential Graphics panel by going to the window, Essential Graphics, select the composition you want to export from the drop-down menu and add to Essential Groups panel. Now drag the properties you want to customize in the Premiere Pro, such as text field, colors, or position, to the Essential Graphics panel. This allows you to control these properties in Premiere Pro as well. Set up the editable properties. Make sure to define which properties should be editable in the Premiere Pro. So, for example, you might also want to make text fields or colors editable. Export as MOGRT. Click the Export Motion Graphics Template button in the Essential Graphics panel. Choose a destination to save the MOGRT file and provide a name for your template as well. The second is to import and use the Premiere Pro by simply opening the Premiere Pro and importing the MOGRT file. To go to the Essential Graphics panel by selecting the window and Essential Graphics, click on the Motion Graphics Template button, locate your MOGRT file, drag to the timeline and customize your template. So this is how you can do this, and here are some tips for you as well. So by following these steps, you can create customized and reusable motion graphics templates to use your Premiere Pro project. So I hope this video helped you, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.